What is the name of the application mentioned for studying atom structure and nuclear decays? A. Google Play Store. B. Cells Alive. C. Atom.phys. D. Cowboy Bebop. The correct answer is C. Atom.phys. Which organisms are known to form a barrier against invaders and produce some vitamins and essential amino acids? A. Gut microbes. B. Algae. C. Fungi. D. Viruses. The correct answer is A. Gut microbes. What is recommended for fishermen to keep handy for safety? A. A fishing net. B. An extra anchor. C. A radio set with extra batteries. D. A first aid kit. The correct answer is C. A radio set with extra batteries. Which group collected conch shells from Pamban Island? A. Fishermen. B. Parathavas. C. Traders. D. Artisans. The correct answer is B. Parathavas. What structures allow some bacteria to be motile? A. Cilia. B. Pseudopods. C. Flagella. D. Special structures. The correct answer is D. Special structures. What phenomenon is involved when ultrasonic waves are used to form images by reflecting from parts of the heart? A. Absorption. B. Reflection. C. Refraction. D. Diffraction. The correct answer is B. Reflection. If a light bulb in a parallel circuit burns out, what is the impact on the brightness of the remaining bulbs? A. They will not dim out. B. They will flicker intermittently. C. They will dim out significantly. D. They will become brighter. The correct answer is A. They will not dim out. Which democracy is recognized for having the earliest written constitution still in effect? A. The Iceland democracy. B. Roman empires. C. Greek democracy. D. San Marinus democracy. The correct answer is D. San Marinus democracy. Name two Savite saints who practiced bhakti cult during the Pallav period. A. Chalukya saints. B. Mentioned in the text. C. Not mentioned in the text. D. Rashtrakuta saints. The correct answer is B. Mentioned in the text. Which empire practiced the system described in the text? A. Gupta Empire. B. Mughal Empire. C. Chola Empire. D. Maurya Empire. The correct answer is A. Gupta Empire. What is the approximate age of the Earth in crore years? A. 450 crore years. B. 45 crore years. C. 0.45 crore years. D. 4.5 crore years. The correct answer is B. 45 crore years. According to Deepika, what standard was she in? A. 7th standard. B. 6th standard. C. 5th standard. D. 4th standard. The correct answer is B. 6th standard. In which year was a Supreme Court established in Bombay? A. 1799. Born in 1801. Circa 1824. D. 1773. The correct answer is circa 1824. What is the gravitational force acting on an object given by A. M plus G. B. mg. C. mg. D. Mg. The correct answer is B. Mg. What types of firms began to prosper during this phase, besides managing agency household property or personal belongings firms? A. Export-import firms and exchange banks. B. Construction companies and transport services. C. Agricultural cooperatives and local markets. D. Manufacturing firms and retail stores. The correct answer is A. Export-import firms and exchange banks. What color change indicates the presence of an acid when methyl orange is added to a test solution? A. The solution turns pink. B. The solution turns yellow. C. There is no change in color. D. The solution turns green. The correct answer is A. The solution turns pink. Motion of a ball thrown is an example of what type of motion? A. Rotatory motion. B. Curvilinear motion. C. Linear motion. D. Circular motion. The correct answer is B. Curvilinear motion. What symbol did French officers plant in Srirangapatnam? A. Tree of knowledge. B. Tree of unity. C. Tree of prosperity. D. Tree of liberty. The correct answer is D. Tree of liberty. What does H represent in the formula for the volume of a liquid column? V is equal to A. Hydrogen. B. Heat. C. Humidity. D. Height. The correct answer is D. Height. What kind of publication is Physical Geography, the Global Environment, 3 edition? A. A website. B. A journal. C. A magazine article. D. A textbook. The correct answer is D. A textbook. Which substance is a major component of sweat, besides small amounts of other chemicals? A. Glucose. B. Protein. C. Fat. D. Water. The correct answer is D. Water. A person nominated to Lok Sabha by the President should belong to which community? A. Scheduled caste. B. Scheduled tribe. C. Other backward class. D. Anglo-Indian. The correct answer is D. Anglo-Indian. What happens when potassium iodide and lead, 2, nitrate aqueous solutions react? A. They form a single product. B. An element replaces a compound. C. They undergo decomposition. D. Their ions are interchanged. The correct answer is D. Their ions are interchanged. What is another way Sir John Hicks defines money in the text? A. What money earns. B. What money does. C. What money represents. D. What money controls. The correct answer is B. What money does. What types of recurring disasters are mentioned? A. Floods, cyclones, storm surges. B. Earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. C. Hurricanes and blizzards. D. Tornadoes and droughts. The correct answer is A. Floods, cyclones, storm surges. What characteristic do elements in a group generally possess? A. Identical physical states. B. Different atomic weights. C. Similar properties. D. Varying electronic configurations. The correct answer is C. Similar properties. What happens to stomata at night? A. They open wider. B. They increase water absorption. C. They close. D. They remain unchanged. The correct answer is C. They close. Which province in China contains evidence for Neolithic communities in the Yellow and Yangtze River Valley? A. Guangdong. B. Shandong. C. Henan. D. Sichuan. The correct answer is C. Henan. Which region was under the control of the Mysore Sultan, leading to tax collection by Tipu's Diwan? A. Marudhu region. B. Kongu region. C. Tamil country. D. Palayakkar region. The correct answer is B. Kongu region. What type of proteins provide structural support to the chromosome? A. Metallic ions. B. Non-histones only. C. Histones and non-histones. D. Telomeres. The correct answer is C. Histones and non-histones. How did you score?